Write the next three terms of the arithmetic sequence: -2, 6, 14, 22. Use a table to organize the terms and find the pattern. The first term is -2. The second term is 6. The third term is 14. And the fourth term is 22. The difference between -2 and 6 is 8. The difference between 6 and 14 is 8. And the difference between 14 and 22 is 8. Each term is 8 more than the previous term, so the common difference is 8. Add 8 to a term to find the next term. To find the fifth term, add 8 to 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. To find the sixth term, add 8 to 30. 30 plus 8 is 38. And to find the seventh term, add 8 to 38. 38 plus 8 is 46. So the next three terms are 30, 38, and 46. Graph the arithmetic sequence 24, 18, 12, 6. What do you notice? First, make a table. The first term is 24. The second term is 18. The third term is 12. And the fourth term is 6. Then plot the ordered pairs n a sub n. Plot the points 1, 24, 2, 18, 3, 12, and 4, 6. Notice that the points lie on a line. Does the graph represent an arithmetic sequence? Explain. Make a table to organize the ordered pairs. Then determine whether there is a common difference. The first term is 1 5/10. The second term is 3. The third term is 4 5/10. And the fourth term is 6. The difference between 1 5/10 and 3 is 1 5/10. The difference between 3 and 4 5/10 is 1 5/10. And the difference between 4 5/10 and 6 is 1 5/10. Each term is 1 5/10 more than the previous term, so the common difference is 1 5/10. Consecutive terms have a common difference of 1 5/10, so the graph represents the arithmetic sequence 1 5/10, 3, 4 5/10, 6. Write an equation for the nth term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 3, -1, -5. Then find a sub 30. First find the common difference. The difference between 7 and 3 is -4. The difference between 3 and -1 is -4. And the difference between -1 and -5 is -4. So the first term is 7 and the common difference is -4. Write the equation for an arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Substitute 7 for a sub 1 and -4 for d. A sub n equals 7 plus the quantity n minus 1 times -4, which simplifies to a sub n equals -4n plus 11. Next, use the equation to find the 30th term. Substitute 30 for n. A sub 30 equals -4 times 30 plus 11, which simplifies to a sub 30 equals -109. So the 30th term of the arithmetic sequence is -109. Juan saves $12 the first week of the year. He will increase the amount he saves each week by $4. Part A. Write a function that represents the arithmetic sequence. First, find the common difference. The difference between 12 and 16 is 4. The difference between 16 and 20 is 4. And the difference between 20 and 24 is 4. So the first term is 12 and the common difference is 4. Next, write the function for an arithmetic sequence. F of n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Substitute 12 for a sub 1 and 4 for d. F of n equals 12 plus the quantity n minus 1 times 4, which simplifies to f of n equals 4n plus 8. So the function f of n equals 4n plus 8 represents the arithmetic sequence. Part B. Graph the function. First, make a table. Let the week be n and the amount saved be a sub n. When n equals 1, a sub n equals 12. When n equals 2, a sub n equals 16. When n equals 3, a sub n equals 20. And when n equals 4, a sub n equals 24. Then plot the ordered pairs n a sub n. So plot the points 1, 12, 2, 16, 3, 20, and 4, 24. Part C. Juan's goal is to save $68 in 1 week. In which week will he save that amount? Use the function f of n equals 4n plus 8 to find the value of n for which f of n equals 68. Substitute 68 for f of n. 68 equals 4n plus 8. Then solve for n to get 15 equals n. So he will save $68 in week 15.